what I try and do is I go to the pound shop, and you can find a great range of nuts, walnuts, seeds, pecans, all these wonderful things that I use in salads, and I also use in my energy bars that I make at home. So very, very good value for money. So I'm going to pick up a few essentials. I've got some a seed mix there, which I can use on my salads, or I can put in my energy bar. That's a pretty good bag for £1. I'm going to have one of them, I think. I'll chuck that in the basket. What else have we got here? We got some sunflower, pumpkin seeds. These are good. These are really good for salads. I'll chuck them in a basket. What else have I got? I got some Brazil nuts and mixed nuts. So let's walk around Asda's. Yes, let's see what we've got in the counter over here. I think I'm going to get some fish. Now, fish normally 3 times a week. I've got some salmon. That's an essential. Let's have a look at some chicken now then. Chicken is all wide variety of chicken. Do you want a whole chicken? Do you want a legs of chicken? Legs, I would leave legs alone. Let's get some reduced fat smoked bacon. I think that's a good one. They're good for sandwiches. And here's the big packs of chicken that I buy actually. These are really good value for money. It's £10 for quite a lot of chicken breasts in there. And what I do is then I take them home and I freeze them. So that looks pretty good to me. The chicken is really good value here. So I just picked up a big pack of chicken. That's pretty good. And we got I don't want any beef or anything like that. I got some minced beef in the freezer, so that's pretty good. There's a good selection of beef here, and there's turkey breast mince here, but you've got to be careful. Sometimes they use thighs as well, not just breast. So the turkey mince, make sure you check that, because sometimes they mix thigh meat and breast meat together. That's why it's a bit cheaper. So what you want to do is try and get some turkey breast mince. Okay, we need some spinach. As it's Christmas, I've gone and bought a couple of bottles of wine and some fizzy, because we need to get the offers where they're on. So I managed to get 25% off 6 bottles. Not that I drink a lot, but gonna have the odd glass of wine, I think. It's Christmas is coming up, so if you're going to do it, just as well do it when the offers are on. Mushrooms. We've got a choice of mushrooms. I think chestnut mushrooms are the better option. Chestnut mushrooms. I'm also going to need some onions, red onions. Let's have a look. We've got loads of onions here. I'm going to get some shallots as well, because they're quite nice. We use quite a lot of shallots. I don't need any courgettes or aubergines. I've got some butternut squash there. We need fruit, definitely fruit, blueberries and strawberries, and I got some salad dressing. That's pretty good. We need a bit of that. That's an essential. Peppers, definitely peppers, and that reminds me we need some olives. So I like black olives. They're pretty good. We're going to get some soy milk as well. That's free from range. That's pretty good. I love my avocados because they're good for breakfast. We're going to have pasta this week, so let's get some whole wheat fusilli, and of course eggs. And there we go. That's going to be the biggest part of my weekly shop. So there you have it. We did a fantastic weekly shop there. A lot of essentials like avocados, eggs, soy milk, which is pretty good because I use that to make my own energy drinks and things. Spinach is another good one. I got some blackberries, I got some blueberries, I got some strawberries, because I like blackberries in porridge in the morning with some honey, and all the other essentials as well. And chicken is a good thing. I did mention about turkey mince. Be very careful that you buy breast mince. Turkey mince has a mixture of thigh mince and breast mince, so there's a lot of fat in thigh mince. So be careful there. And what I do with the chicken is I put them in plastic bags that I freeze them, and I bash them flat So I'll show you how to do that in another video. Put some herbs and spices on them. Fantastic, fantastic snack in the fridge, along with some boiled eggs if you want some protein. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So there we go. Right, all I got to do now is go in for my tea. So I will talk to you again. Bye.